Hello, hello, hello. We're here to taste test this berry Pebbles. It was on clearance for $2.50. And this is their Celebrating Women Who Rock. There is 140 calories per serving. One serving is 1 cup. And it looks like 14 grams of sugar. So yeah, I'll put a link to this online. If you've tried this before, let me know what you thought of it. The traditional Pebbles, Fruity Pebbles, they're okay. I've got this with some extra creamy oat milk. You can definitely smell the berry. It has very much that berry flavor that the other berry cereal has. I don't remember which one has the little berries in it.
Yeah, I kind of vaguely remember it.
Kix.
Yeah.
It reminds me of that. The berries in that cereal.
Very pungent smell when you open the bag. And yeah, it's okay. I still like the original better.
I think I might like this better than the original.
Yeah, I can see that, yeah. I don't know. I'd have to try it with milk too. I tried it dry.
I'll give this a 4 out of 5. That's pretty good. Let me know if you've tried this, what you thought. And if you haven't, let me know what you enjoy cereal-wise. What's one of your cereals that you enjoy? Here, you want to try it with milk? I think it's pretty good, though.
Yeah, like tricks, yeah.
What would you rate it?
3.
3 out of 5?
What'd you do?
I did get 4 out of 5.
Yeah, mine's 3, yeah.
No, I think it's pretty good. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.